if-else statements are part of conditional statement in TypeScript. So if you want to execute certain action based on if block, you can use if and then console.log. This will be executed. Okay, so whenever your condition, whatever condition you specify in the if statement, if it evaluates to true, your code statements in the if block will be executed. Or you can have else block. So if your condition that is mentioned above is evaluating to false, you can this else part will be executed. Okay, so let's demonstrate that with the help of an example. So I'll try to add two numbers. So let a equals to let a of type number that is equals to 10, y equals to 20, and let me try to add them, or maybe rather than adding them, let's try to find out which number is greater than another. If a is greater than y, display console log a is greater, else y is greater. As simple as that. And let me show you one more statement, else if. So if you want to compare multiple conditions, okay, so we can use else if block. So else if, in else if you need to specify the condition again. So here we will say if a is greater than a is greater than y, or we can say b for the convention. So if a is greater than b, we have mentioned a is greater b. If a is less than b, then we can say a is less than b. Okay, and in the else statement now we can have else if statement over here, and we can check like if a is equals to b, so we can say here both are equal. Console.log a is equal to b. Okay, and now that's all. If you do not write else, that is also fine. Okay. If without else is also valid, it's not needed. And if you specify something over here, it will never happen that this code will be executed, because you have compared like a greater than b, a less than b, and also a equal to b. So either of these conditions will be matched and we won't need else block here. But this is how the if and else if block statements work. And let me show you one more operator, which is ternary operator. So if you have a condition like if you have just if else condition, so you can use ternary operator. That's a short way of writing if else condition. So for example, let me show you how ternary operator works. So you have an expression here. So if your expression is true, right, the first statement is evaluated, and if it is false, then second statement is evaluated. So this is the syntax. You have your expression. If this expression is true, then you have this block, this statement is executed, otherwise this statement is executed. So for example, we have if A is greater than B question mark, that means we are checking if A is greater than B, then console.log A is greater than B. Otherwise you can log so A is less than B. That's it. Your this if else part is covered in just a single line.